Hey, how you doing? This is Travis from Carter Cow Capital, and this is your Forex Traders Tip. Now, very simple, but I want you to understand this. Preparation leads to success. What I mean by that is this: before you end up taking a trade and risking your overall money, you need to understand exactly what you're looking at and understand exactly what your plan is going to end up being when you take that trade. When that comes down to stop loss, your entry, your overall take profit zones, and what you're looking for as a warning area to be able to possibly be able to get out if something was to be able to happen. By being able to have that before you actually end up taking a trade, it allows you to be able to, one, be more careful when taking a trade, and also be more patient in allowing the trade to be able to move into your overall positions. Now, for me, I'm a swing trader. Sometimes I'm going after thousands of overall pips, but I know by being able to go for thousands of overall pips, that allows me to be able to, one, not look at the charts as much as possible, right? I can only possibly be able to look at the charts maybe 3 to 4 times out of the day, and I can still be able to see what's going on with the market and being able to evaluate what's happening with that. But in order for me to be able to get that done, in order for me to be able to gain the amount of pips that I end up getting, is because I end up putting in the work before I actually end up taking a trade. Now, once you end up having that preparation, it allows you to be able to evaluate it from a long-term perspective and not a short-term perspective. Typically, the reason why people end up losing money is because that they end up seeing what's happening short-term, and they end up panicking because of the short-term and not focusing in on a long-term movement that's overall happening. And that's for swing traders, position traders, and being able to get in. Even with traders that are scalpers and everything else like that, if you're looking at it from a long-term perspective, you can be able to see and spot out opportunities in the market that allow you to be able to stay in that trade just a little bit longer, so you can be able to get the profit margin that you're actually looking for. So preparation leads to success, right? Put in the work before, have a overall trading routine first, and then after that, once you end up seeing that from your overall plan before the market actually ends up opening happens, then after that, you can be able to gain and benefit based off of your overall work that you end up putting in before. Now, if you do not have an overall daily routine, what I'm going to end up doing in the card above is that I'm going to end up placing out a video that I end up placing in a little bit earlier this week, talking about my overall daily routine. Maybe it might end up helping you out for being able to get started. But if I provided value for you in this video, please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. Please make sure that you end up commenting below to be able to talk about what your overall daily routine is. And hopefully, if my routine ends up helping you out, then that can be able to add on to your overall success. Now, also remember, at 8:30 to 9 o'clock each morning on my Facebook Live page, what we end up doing is that we end up going through trading opportunities for US-based markets, and you can be able to earn while you're learning through that overall time. But until then, I'll see you tomorrow for a new Forex Traders Tip.